All right, for assignment number 1 for this week, we are starting chapter 3 and we are going to be studying about locations and directions, how we go to places. But before that, we need to be familiar with some places or areas of the city. So we are here in chapter 3 and we have here the cathedral, the monument, apartment building. This is el apartamento where we, um, when people just rent for living. We got here the post office, oficina de correos, post office, and there are many other places like the aeropuerto, the airport, la carretera or the highway. This is la estación. So it could be la estación de buses o la estación de trenes, buses o trenes. Muy bien. Here we got la iglesia, the church, la torre, the tower, and la cuadra means the block. La esquina is the corner. So this would be the corner. And el puente, so la esquina here, the corner. And el puente, the bridge. And la cuadra would be the entire block. So we're already finished. so, so we got several areas that you need to be familiar to respond to the assignment number 3. So, quick review. This exercise is matching this sentence with the place with the person might be. So if this person, I'm gonna change here, this person is in la iglesia, so something is going on in la iglesia. So one of these phrases have to do with the people being at the church. Angelica needs to send a letter, so it might not be at the church. Mario, Camilo, Gabriela, Jorge, la señora Villegas. All these people are doing or are in a specific place. Translate this sentence using Google Translate, or probably you might be able to understand now the meaning of the phrase and connect it to where are they. So the idea is where are they? So based on the sentence, you will find out where are they. Okay, so that is the first part of the assignment. The second part is you must complete the dialogue using these words in the frame. So you already know some of them, like, well, cathedral, the church, and let me just, cathedral, el puente. Derecho is straight ahead. Esquina, what is esquina? We already kind of studied. Esquina is the corner. And cuadras, these two are related because esquinas and cuadras are blocks, and blocks are surrounded by corners. So izquierda is left, and we don't have here derecha, but this adelante means go ahead or going ahead. Okay, so continuing here, I'm sorry, we got something going on here. So it's important that you understand here the izquierda is to the left. This is izquierda. And derecha is to the right. Adelante is go ahead, straight forward. Dirección is address or directions. Calle is street. And cuadras, as we mentioned before, are blocks, esquinas, and are corners. Adelante is ahead, and derecho is straight ahead, and adelante is ahead. So these two are a little bit similar, but when you are giving a direction straight ahead, probably derecho would be the best. And adelante is a little ahead, or just go ahead, or this is ahead of this place, and this one is just go straight. So llego as it finishes in o is the verb llegar, who is to arrive, but because it says llego means yo llego, I arrive. And puente is the bridge, and the cathedral is the church. So with those in mind, you should be able to follow this conversation. So, perdón, excuse me. ¿Cómo a la Torre América? So, how do I get to American Tower? Debes ir hasta pasar el. So you should go until I would say probably the corner, maybe. Hasta pasar el. I'm sure maybe until you pass. This is until you pass. This is until you pass the bridge, I guess. Then it says, luego toma, let me see here. Luego toma la primera what? Would be, then you take the first, I would say, corner. A la, so either to the right or to the left. Sigue en esa, just keep going in that what direction? 2 or 3 blocks ahead. La torre está en una, al lado de la, en una, oh yeah, the tower is in a street which is next to, al lado de, next to, de la, I would say of the church, or in this case gonna be the cathedral. So, oh, entonces sigo, oh, so it means, do I continue what? Ahead, right? For this street? Correcto. Muchas gracias. All right, so that's pretty much the explanation. I kind of indicated most of it in English, so try to accommodate the words again based on what it says here. Okay, this is the assignment for today, at least the explanation for this assignment.